For Trikonasana triangle position, stand with your feet apart, heels in the same line. Turn your right foot in around 30 degrees and your left foot forward. Start by opening your feet, so spreading the toes, lengthening and widening your feet. Gently press the floor with your feet. Stretch towards your left. Imagine you want to touch the wall on your left. Then bring your hand on your leg. Stretch your right arm and turn your head towards your right hand. Keep your legs stretched and stay for a couple of breath cycles. You can imagine a wall behind yourself where your body is leaning to. And bending your left leg, come back to the center. Turn to the other side. Turn your left foot in, right foot forward. Stretch to your right, lengthening the right side of your upper body. And bring your hand onto your leg, left arm up, look towards your left hand. Feel the opening in your body, feet are rooting into the floor, top of the head stretching away from the pelvis, hands stretching away from each other. And bending your right leg, release the position. A common mistake in this posture is wanting to grab your ankle, for example, when your hips are not yet prepared to do that. So if you feel that one of the sides of your body, so when you are on the left side, bending towards your left leg, feel that the left side of your torso is shortening and your spine is like side bending, then you are doing it wrong. Bend a little bit your knee, lengthen the side, both sides of your torso, and only grab your leg somewhere where you can still maintain this stretching on both sides. So if you are more like here, grabbing your leg at your knee, that's completely fine.